I can't believe which Cameron destroys Cameron's wall clock yesterday, and I wonder what I should do. I know, I'm going to fix Cameron's wall clock by using Plotagon logic.
Meanwhile at my house. Man, I can't believe my witch clone destroys my wall clock yesterday. Rocco, what are you doing here at my house?
Well, Cameron, I'm here to fix your wall clock by using Plotagon logic.
Oh, really? Thank you so much, Rocco.
You're welcome! Yes!
My wall clock is fixed. Thank you so much, Rocco.
You're welcome!
And for this, you are ungrounded forever. You can go home now.
Thank you so much, Cameron. You're the best.
You're welcome.